Updated my draft intro script. Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is live recording and rehearsal session from Studio Lab at Doga, a growing cancer production, and I'm mveddylive, your host, and you're watching Working Titles, Edida's Internet of Capitalism. Also, it's edutainment. Next title, working title, knowledge, gift that keeps on giving. And something like a taken into consideration is restricted gaming or productive gamification of learning. Is that all? Knowledge keeps on giving. Okay, so well, if you're watching the long unedited stream recording, you can jump to the end later on when it's available. Check the stream summary. After that I take some time, and if there's something of importance, interesting points in the stream, I do the more coherent, compact, segmented episode versions of the video, and that was the intro. For day 2, learning Godot, learning Blender. I still keep it together. Learning GDScript. I want to simplify the learning process and development, as it is kind of the engine itself is, in a sense, blueprinted through its GDScript language that it uses. Design the philosophy, learn to code with GDScript, and learn GDScript from zero. App. It's an app. Let's see. And this is interactive app to learn GDScript. Select lessons options. I also spent a bit earlier some time to find my way around better, as I didn't manage to complete last time tutorial for the synthwave, inter synthwave, whatever. What was the arcade, vector arcade vaporwave tutorial. I'll complete it today. Here, one thing, the YouTube tutorials are good, but they do it their own way. Sometimes, like if you've seen the previous stream, they do a specific task. It was good for learning video editing, that was cool, but every tutorial creator is facing the challenge the scope of the tutorial, whether go through the bare basics, how many tutorials to do, but it's actually the basics, and the introduction is available here. Like at the end, at the bottom of the site, let's say, I think there is a link for the actual manual. User manual, developer documentation, API, Python reference. Here's the reference manual. Do I have it open? Maybe I could double check for what's free, what's not. If I just open, let's say, for example, this is an article, and okay, this article looks like it's completely available, while other training materials, like let's say beginner stuff. So here it says that this is fundamentals, it's free, and others don't say whether free or not. And when I checked, let's say animation fundamentals, for example, here on the left side is a contents, and if I check the link, the actual lesson I'm supposed to join, and if I click join, here's the subscription. The Blender Fundamentals is for 2.8. For that reason I will download 2.8, but I've looked at the downloads section, downloads page. They have also demo files. That's good. These extensions here on the link extensions, as I understand, these are available through the Blender. The versioning for Blender is interesting because of the tutorials. For first-time user, if I would recommend myself, I would say match the tutorial for you from YouTube to the version of the arcade vaporwave example. If I recover last session, interested in vapor tutorial, so this tutorial I've taken. The result is so I cannot unlearn this. When I even press and play, I got it animated somewhat. Because of the fundamentals, maybe I just download 2.8. That I'll do actually right now. Blender 2.8. Did I download it already? I got these two versions, 3 and 6, here available. Made them available for me. I'll just move them to my working drive. Blender 2.8, I've managed to open it efficiently on 4.2, so it didn't break. It looks nice, surprisingly nice. So if I run it right now, this is single executable game engine, 3D and 2D in one. Here's the asset library. From the site I additionally downloaded also a larger export template that supports exporting to publish for Android, iOS, Linux, Windows and web, and maybe some console. And from asset library I've selected something what I know that it's compatible with this Godot version, which is the trackdown demo. If I run it here, so I've downloaded complete working demo, and also in an hour I got it running here, ready on the. It's available here on the website. I managed to publish. It didn't work right away on the web, but here it is. Look at this. Look at this silly thing. And scale Y, then bam. Mouse wheel, zoom in and out, rotate camera, actually the view, camera stays here, shift wheel, pan around, and well, tab for the select box. Okay, what was next? So I select here, and this part, these are the operations on the object. Face select, So I touch this to select it like a face of the model. Scale. So I'll be just squeezing this in like this, and back to move, get it back down like this, so. And back to Toothbro. Let's get rid of those faces. Faces, select this one, and is selected, yes, and this one, shift, select, not this one, delete. Pressing delete opens the menu and delete the faces that are selected. And what I did, I said, well, add shader, mix shader, and delete this. He's got probably on his app, he's got a different shortcut layout, so that thing Shift S swap shader doesn't work for me, or my Wrangler is not enabled here. Is there? I also remember there was a add-on Wrangler. Node Wrangler. Yep. Give me that. Now it's on. Is that? Okay, so now it works with the Shift S when the Node Wrangler add-on is enabled. That's how it works. So object texture coordinate, vector mapping vector. Okay.
Frequency, lock down, pull it up, and let's go ahead and find something 50%. So 5 there, down, pull it up, pull that, and that's kind of cool.
Okay. That's this thing, frequency squash. Was it around 5? Frequency 10. Click here. Good thing is it is effect result is interesting, and it's up to 20 minutes to 10. We are quarter way in. Edit mode, object mode, select. Okay. Okay, select Alt G, Alt R, what rotation. And rotate it. So I got the wrong mode and got to object mode from edit mode. So at frame 1, kind of get them to some sort of start position. Could that be this? Maybe so at next frame get them and at the next position. But what are these steps? No, wait. Reset to default, and it's point. It is on point. I thought he changed the texture here, but no, it's point. Well, insert keyframe, single keyframe here, and at the last animation frame, frames, how many frames? 250. Last frame. Last frame. I'm animating this 2. Single keyframe. So what does it look like? Oh, it looks like it works. This is where I lost it last time, because it didn't seem to me like a effective emission. The bloom, he enabled the bloom on the renderer. Oh no, that. And I didn't have that in 4 point. In 4.2 there is no bloom. He enabled here like this, click bloom, and nice, perfect. And I didn't have that, and it's not the same effect. Strength, change strength, leave it 10. Wow. Wow. You know what I'll do? I'll do my thing a bit larger.